Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a first time viewer, my name is Jeff Lanoski. Today's gonna be an awesome day because I'm with my good buddy Max Mitchell and we're at Mountain Creek and we are gonna show you my top 5 favorite flow trails at this place. So let's jump into it. You remember this old trail, right? Start off with a easy, fun warm-up. Greenhorn is the ego trip. We coach a bunch on this trail. So this one he knows. The rest we're going to be riding blind. See how he does. I imagine won't be a problem. This is only my second time riding here this year other than coaching. I got the manual even though I have the long chainstays. So this bike you can get with a long chainstay version or short chainstay. I got the long one. Super good at high speed, but takes some getting used to.
Alright, so heading up at Dominion. Got some pretty lippy jumps on this one, so definitely be careful. Super fun though. Long and low. Big hooter. Fun hips. Sick nose manual, bro. Yo.
Trail number 3 is a trail called Crapshoot, and it's got a big old step up. I wore a bike computer on my handlebars a couple years ago, and you hit like 35 or 40 miles an hour. I think it was like 38. Giving Max a big old gap here because at this speed, like literally right on top of him. And just send that thing sick. The step down. Now there's a pretty tricky gap here. Gotta really stay off the brake. Boom! Hell yeah! Phew! No permit here. Head into the rock. And then this is my first time hitting this year as well. Gotta get off the brakes. Send that thing. Hell yeah. Dude, that was sick. Can't forget Indy. All right, let's see if we can get this outro while manualing. Those are my 5 favorite flow trails in Mountain Creek. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It was fun making it. Until next time, get out there and beat the balls. You.